So I am in the video details page of a video that I have uploaded inside of my YouTube in YouTube Studio. So now what you can do is you can also add in captions manually from this platform itself as well for a particular video that you want. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the subtitle section and I'm going to click on Add Language button right here. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and scroll down and choose English United States as an example. So now what you can do is you can click on Add on the subtitle section right here, and here you can see Type Manually is an option. You can go around and click right here, and what happens is that you can go around and type in the subtitle as you want. So let me just go around over here. This is the subtitle as you can see. So I'm going to go around, press the play button to hear out the audio. This is, so it says this is from till over here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here and type in this is. So this is how it is going to be displayed, as you can see right here. So right around in this section, I want it to break. So this is 203. So I'm just going to go around and say 203 right here. And then what happens is that the timing of the subtitle is changed out to this particular section. As you can see, you can go around and resize this out over here as well. Let me just go around over here and then I'm going to click on Add Caption right here. And then let's hear out the audio again. An example video. So that is what the subtitle is. So I'm just going to go around and say this is an example video. So this is going to be the subtitle right here. I'm going to go around, press the play button again for an example. So now I want 4 to actually appear beforehand right here. This is still 421. So let me just go around over here and click on the plus button right here. So this is going to be 4 right till around over here. So I'm just going to go around and say 4 just like this and press the play button for an example YouTube channel. Let's just go around over here, press the play button. An example YouTube channel. That is what I want. So I can go around over here, press the plus button, and I'm going to say an example YouTube channel right here, just like this. So once I do that, I'm just going to go around and then resize this out right here. So I'm just going to go around and resize it, and this is what you have. So from the beginning itself, you can go around over here and press the play button. This is an example video for an example YouTube channel. So that is what you have, and if you're okay with this, you can click on Publish right here, and the subtitle will be live on the video. So if I were to go around onto the video right here, and if I were to go around over here, you can see that under subtitle under English United States, you can see this is an example video for an example YouTube channel appears right there. So that is how you can add in captions manually inside of videos in YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.